Hey everyone, welcome to part one of our three-part series where we dive into everything you need to know about the BL3000 Air Purifier and Ozone Generator. We're going to be unboxing this unit, checking out its features, and looking inside the box so you guys exactly know what to expect when you get yours. Fun fact, the BL3000 was one of our best sellers during COVID. We had a school district out in Florida reach out to us and they ordered several 40-foot containers from us. They placed one in every single one of their classrooms and some in their offices. This unit is very tried and true and it was very beneficial during the COVID-19 era. But without further ado, let's unbox it. Just go ahead and get a knife or a sharp object and just be careful that you don't hurt yourself when you're cutting the tape on the box. If you guys have checked out some of our other videos, as soon as I pull the unit out, it's going to look very identical to one of our other air purifiers and ozone generators. I will kind of compare the two, but they are very similar. There's only one main difference, and I'll go over that. So you got a thank you for your order, quick start guide. You guys have probably seen a couple names for this unit out there, such as the CH3000, BL3000, or BH3000. If you guys hear any three of those names, they all mean the same, but the SKU for this is going to be the BL3000. So quick start guide, packing list. You're going to have the actual instruction manual and then you're going to have a remote. Moving on, we have a 3-foot power cord, a 2-pack of ceramic ozone plates, and then we have the actual unit. So here it is, it's in a beautiful black case. Like I mentioned earlier, this is going to look very identical to another unit we sell, and that unit is the F101 acrylic or the CA3500. Filtration wise, they are exactly the same. You have a ionizer, you have a HEPA filter, charcoal filter, TO2 photocatalytic filter, UV light, and ozone plates. The only difference is going to be the casing. This one is clear acrylic and this one is black. F101 acrylic is going to have knobs to operate the fan speed and O3 or ozone, whereas the BL3000 you have buttons, tiny LCD screen, and then you have a physical remote. So kind of went over the features already. 6 stages of filtration. It's got a remote LCD screen. It's got buttons. You have fan speed, purify, ozone, UV. You have a timer. You have a power button. Just like the F101 acrylic, on the back, you have the plug for the power cord. You have a fuse block, and that includes an extra fuse. And then you have the on and off switch. And then to quickly refresh your brain on what's included, inside the box, you have the unit, ozone plates, power cord, instruction manual, remote, and some paperwork.